Next, we are going to be talking about dictionary operations. That is the different operations that we can perform on dictionaries. So I want you to create a new file inside chapter 7 and call it dictionary underscore operation. Okay, dictionary operations.py. Now, what I will just do is I will head back to the previous class or chapter, subtopic, I mean. I will copy the dictionary that we had created. I'll paste it here. Now, the first operation that we are going to talk about is adding a new key value pair. So what we have done here is we have defined this dictionary, right? And we can just come down and then print, we can just come down and print students, right? Now, once I do that and save it, I will run the file and you can see that we have the dictionary printed out in the terminal. Now, what we can also do is we can add a new key value pair. Now, the first way of doing this is obviously to come into the dictionary and like just add a new value. But another way to do it is that I'm going to show you another way to do it. In order to add in a new key value pair without having to do it manually inside the dictionary itself, we're just going to take an example. Let's say, for example, we want to add the email of the user to the students, to the student's dictionary. What we can do is we can type the dictionary first of all, the variable assigned to the dictionary, and we're going to put square brackets. Now, inside the square brackets, we can type in the new key that we are trying to add to this dictionary. So since we want to add email, I'm just going to type student of email, and we're going to assign it a new value. So let's just say test at gmail.com. So what I will then do is I will come down, and after creating this new key value pair, I will print dictionary. And once I do that, I want you to notice that the first item or the first dictionary that was printed out here has only name, age, course name, and grade. But the second item has name, age, course name, grade, and email. So in order to add a new key value pair to the dictionary, we didn't have to, manually come into the dictionary and say email. We could have done this and said email is equals to, test at gmail.com. And this is also totally fine. But the other way to add a value to a dictionary is you just come down and define it again, or you just come down and assign it. Now, this specific form of declaration is used when at the point of creating a dictionary, you don't want to add that value yet. So perhaps you want to perform some processing before adding a new value to the dictionary. This is when this comes in handy, and you're going to be using it a lot. So this is how we can add a new value to a dictionary without defining it inside the dictionary itself when we create it. Now, the second operation that we are going to talk about is updating an item in the dictionary. So let's say, for example, we want to change this student's name, right, from John Doe to like Solomon. What I can do is I can come down here and inside student, I can say student of name is going to be equals to, let's just create a new uh, line here. I'm going to say student of name is going to be equals to a new name like Solomon. So what we're telling Python is that we want you to go into this dictionary which has been assigned to students, and at the very position or at the key that has a value of, or the key that has a name of name, we want you to replace the value of Jane Doe with Solomon. So once I save that and I run it, I want you to notice what happens. So the first time, the name is John Doe because we printed it out. Then we came down to these two lines where we inserted a new key value pair, and then we are changing the value of the name to Solomon. So you can see the first name here is John Doe, and then here the name has been turned to Solomon. So that is basically how to update a specific key value pair, or that is exactly how to update a value using its key. So the next operation that we are going to talk about is how to remove a key value pair. So what if we would just wanted to remove this line of grade? I mean, we could technically come into the dictionary and just delete it and everything still works perfectly. But what we can do is that we can delete this programmatically. So in order to delete a key value pair from a dictionary program programmatically, we have two ways of doing it. Now, the first way is to use the deal or del keyword. So in order to do that, all we first of all type is the del, and then what do we want to do? Let's say we want to delete grade. We're just going to say delete student of grade. So what this is going to do is that it's just going to go into this student dictionary, and it's going to automatically delete this entire line, that is that key value pair. So once I save that, I want you to notice what happens when I run the program. Let me just clear my screen before I run it. Once I run it, you can see that in the first item, we had name, age, course name, and grade. But in the second item, or the second dictionary which was printed out, we only have name, age, course name, and email. Notice that grade is not present in the second item. That means that we were successfully able to delete grade from the dictionary. Now, this is the first way of deleting a key value pair from a dictionary. Now, the second way of deleting it is using the pop keyword, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So let's say we wanted to delete grade from this dictionary. The second way of doing it is saying student, right, dot pop. Now, inside this pop, what are we going to pass in? We're going to pass in the key that we are trying to delete. That is the key of the key value pair that we want to delete. I'm just going to pass in grade right here, and I'll save it. So once I run this program, you will notice that it gives us the exact same result. So we have grade present here, and we see that in the second dictionary which is printed out, grade isn't present. So that is exactly how we could delete an item from a dictionary. We could either use, sorry, let me just copy this line. We could either use the pop keyword or the deal keyword, I mean. So I'll just comment this out. Or we could use the pop keyword. Either one works perfectly, and we could always delete the key value pair using either of them. So those are the operations that we are going to be talking about for dictionaries. We talked about adding a new item. We talked about updating an item and us deleting an item.